If a line stops, the whole team feels it. We know. I've been there with our customers. Hi, I'm Agnieszka Plazinska from FlexLink Poland. I have been in the company for almost 19 years, where for all those years, every role I've had was always close to the customers. I guess that is where my passion lies, making sure our customers feel supported and satisfied.
And I am Pietro Rauzi from FlexLink Central Service. I've been in the group for 10 years now. I started out on customer sites, working directly with the equipment. That gave me a real inside perspective. I know what it feels like when a line stops and how important it is to have someone reliable by your side in that moment. When I'm with customer, the first thing they talk about is downtime. Every stop means lost output and lost money.
And that is why preventive maintenance and the spare parts at the right time make such a difference. It is all about making sure things don't stop in the first place.
And today, we can even go further with our consulting and advanced digital services. That means real-time monitoring, better planning, and boosting OEE.
What makes us strong is this combination: a global expertise and a local presence. Customers get the same standard worldwide with a personalized approach that fits their needs.
And behind it all is our long experience in conveyors and mobile palletizing, giving reliable, cost-effective service that extends the life cycle of every asset.
Partnering with FlexLink Service means protecting your investment today
and ensuring your value for tomorrow and every day after. Want to learn more about FlexLink Service software? Get in touch today.